Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story black screen problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now first check your mobile Wi-Fi or internet connection. Now go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. Now search Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on first stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Now open your Play Store and search Instagram. Tap on Instagram and update your Instagram app. Now your Instagram app is updated. Tap on open and tap on story. And finally, I have solved the problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.